In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to read license plates in OCR C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read license plates from an image using the Iron OCR library in C#. So let's get straight into it. So before we dive into the code, let me show you how to install Iron OCR. Open the NuGet Package Manager, search for Iron OCR, and see the results. Click Install to add it to your project. And once that's done, you're good to go. So include the required namespaces at the top of your program.cs file. We're using Iron OCR, Iron Software, Drawing, and System. Next, make sure to add your license key. I've hidden mine inside this region right here. This is necessary to activate the library and avoid evaluation mode limitations. We create a new instance of Iron Tesseract, which is the core OCR engine used for processing. We set the whitelist characters configuration, and this restricts OCR to recognize only letters, numbers, and underscores, ideal for license plates. Next, we create an OCR input object. This will hold the image we want to scan. So now we load the license plate image from the disk using load image. I'll hover over the path here in the Visual Studio to show you the image preview. And this is the plate that we're going to scan. We pass the input into read license plate. This is a special method optimized for recognizing license plates, and it returns an OCR license plate result. From the result, we extract the text and confidence level, and then format them into a string. And finally, we present the result to the console, and this displays the detected license plate along with how confident the OCR engine is. All right, so now let's run the application, and the console will launch. All right, the application is run successfully, as you can see on the console, and the license plate data has been extracted from the image. So now let's talk about the result confidence. This value shows how sure the OCR engine is about what it reads, ranging from 0 to 1. In our case, it's around 82.8%, which is a solid result considering the image had mixed fonts and lighting. So now that we successfully extracted the license plate text, the next task is to retrieve its exact location within the image. This is particularly useful when we want to highlight, crop, or process a specific region further. The image loading and read license plate call remain the same. We're still using the same OCR input and passing it into the Iron Tesseract engine. And if you hover over the image path in Load Image, Visual Studio will show a quick preview of that file. After processing the image, we access the license plate property from the result object. This gives us a rectangular F structure that contains the coordinates of the detected plate area within the image. It includes the X and Y starting positions, along with the width and height of the detected box. These values are combined into a string and printed to the console alongside the detected license plate number. This allows us to see both the recognized text and the exact position it was found. So let's run the application, and the console will launch. And if everything works correctly, it should display the required information. All right, application is run successfully. And as you can see on the console output, that includes the license plate number and 4 values representing the bounding box: X, Y, width, and height. And that's it. We just built a simple yet powerful license plate reader using Iron OCR in C#. You've seen how easy it is to not only extract text, but also grab its exact location in the image. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from us at Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with Iron OCR, sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description, try it out for yourself.